Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn feeding and digestion in amoeba. But before that, let us gather knowledge about amoeba. Amoeba is a microscopic organism. Microscopic organism means it is very small organism and it cannot be seen with the naked eye. Understand? And it consists of a single cell. Actually, amoeba is the simplest animal and it lives in pond water. Okay. Now look at the structure of amoeba in the figure 10. We can see all the characteristic features of a typical animal cell, isn't it? We can see a cell membrane, a round dense nucleus, and many small bubble-like vacuoles in its cytoplasm. Okay? The vacuoles in amoeba are of two types, food vacuoles and contractile vacuole. Could you locate, children? Could you see contractile vacuole and food vacuole? Yes. Food vacuoles consist of a bubble of water containing the food particles captured by amoeba. So what is present in food vacuole? It consists of bubble of water along with food particle which is captured by amoeba. Okay. And let us talk about contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole is a bubble of liquid. It controls the amount of water present in the body of amoeba. Understand what does the contractile vacuole do? It contains bubble of water and it controls the amount of water present in the body of amoeba. Okay? Now, the most important feature of amoeba is that it has no fixed shape. No fixed shape means its shape keeps changing. Okay, it keeps on changing constantly. Now, why does it change? The shape of amoeba keeps on changing because it can make its cytoplasm flow in any direction it wants to. Okay, so it has the capacity to flow the cytoplasm in any direction, and in whichever direction the cytoplasm flows, in that direction, in this way the shape changes. Okay, all right. The body of amoeba has finger-like projections which are called pseudopodia, which is also called false feet. This is another important feature found in the amoeba. Could you see the pseudopodia? It is finger-like or not? Yes, it's finger-like projection. Amoeba can produce pseudopodia on any side by pushing the cytoplasm in that side. Okay. So this pseudopodia is not fixed. It can be made on any side of the amoeba. Wherever the cytoplasm is pushed, in that place pseudopodia are formed. Okay. Pseudopodium is singular and pseudopodia is plural. Okay. Amoeba moves very slowly with the help of pseudopodia, which keep on appearing and disappearing when it moves. Okay. That is why it is called false feet. So it is because of pseudopodia that amoeba can move. Amoeba also uses its pseudopodia to catch food particles from the surroundings. So this is another function of pseudopodia. They help to catch food particles from the surroundings. Understood? Now let us go to the feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba eats or feeds on tiny plants and animals present in pond water where it lives. Amoeba takes in food or ingests food by using pseudopodia. Okay, dear students, please look at the figure 11 and concentrate on the diagrams and listen carefully while I am explaining. When a food particle comes near amoeba, then Amoeba produces two pseudopodia around the food particles and surrounds it. Look at the figure 11a. Here we see two pseudopodia around the food particle. Okay. The pseudopodia then join around the food particles and trap the food particles with a little water, forming a food vacuole inside the amoeba. Look at the figure 11b. Here the two pseudopodia have joined and a small food vacuole has been formed. Isn't it? Yes, the food vacuole is like a temporary stomach of amoeba. Understand? Food is digested in food vacuole. This happens as follows. The surrounding cytoplasm secretes digestive enzymes into the food vacuole. Look at the figure 11b. The arrows which are indicating towards the food vacuole shows that enzymes are entering the food vacuole. Understand? Yes. Now this digestive enzymes when enters the food vacuole, they break the food particles into simpler substances. Okay. In this way the food gets digested. Okay. Now, the digested food present in food vacuole is absorbed directly into the cytoplasm by the process of diffusion. Look at the figure 11c. The arrows coming out from the food vacuole indicates that food is being diffused out from the food vacuole into the cytoplasm. Understand? So up till here, the process of ingestion, digestion and absorption is over. Now what will happen? The next stage in the process of nutrition is what? Assimilation. So what will happen with the absorbed food? After the absorption of food, the food vacuole disappears. Okay? The absorbed food is used for the production of energy, maintenance and growth of amoeba. Look at the figure 11d. And the amoeba grows. Understand? Now, amoeba has no fixed place like anus for removing the undigested food. When a considerable amount of undigested food collects inside amoeba, then what happens? Then its cell membrane suddenly ruptures at any place and the undigested food is thrown out or ejected from the body of amoeba. Look at the figure 11e. The undigested food is thrown out from the amoeba and hence the process of egestion is over. Dear students, here the 5 diagrams of amoeba shows the 5 stages in the process of nutrition. Figure A represents ingestion. Figure B represents digestion. Figure C represents absorption. Figure D represents the assimilation. The amoeba has grown, so food has been assimilated, it has been used for growth, isn't it? And number E indicates the how the undigested food is thrown out, that is the process of egestion. Okay? Yes. So in this way the process of feeding and digestion takes place in amoeba. Now look at the page 27, last paragraph. What is the similarity between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings? A similarity between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings is that in both the cases digestive juices break down the complex food particles into simpler substances which can be absorbed. Okay, this is the similarity. And what is the difference? A difference is that amoeba has no mouth and no digestive system, whereas a human being has a mouth and a digestive system made up of many organs. So this is the difference. So here we complete the process of feeding and digestion in amoeba. Thank you, children.